Arne Asplund was born in Skåne, Sweden on August 27, 1903. In 1923, at the age of 20, he journeyed to the United States, working at several paper companies, including one in Tomahawk, Wisconsin. Following a recommendation from a friend, he enrolled at the University of Wisconsin. He almost gave up because of lack of money, but decided to continue by working his way through and graduated with a Bachelor of Science degree in Chemical Engineering in 1927. Asplund invented the steam pressurized refining process, leading to a very important technology for producing thermomechanical pulp, and Chemi-TMP, which eventually evolved into a branch of the technology called semi-chemical pulping. Asplund took his process from an idea in 1931 through pilot plant research that resulted in co-founding of Defibrator AB in 1933 to commercialize his process. He was granted a patent in 1934, and in 1968 the first commercial paper industry application with a defibrator refining system was installed in Sweden. Further commercialization resulted in many millions of tons of fiberboard and other materials produced in efficient and cost-effective plants worldwide. This virtually revolutionized the pulp and paper industry in the 1970s. Not many individuals take a scientific engineering concept from the beginning through development to an ongoing commercial process used worldwide with tremendous impact on the industry. Asplund retired as chairman from Defibrator AB upon its merger with Sons in 1979, but he continued his inventive ways with more than 50 patents. Among the honors he received are the Tappy Gold Medal, the University of Wisconsin Distinguished Service Citation, the National Swedish Board for Technical Development Prize, and the Ekman Gold Medal of the Swedish Association of Pulp and Paper Engineers. He was also awarded a doctorate HC by the Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm, Sweden. Here, Asplund is shown receiving the Ekman Gold Medal from Crown Prince Gustaf of Sweden. Asplund is pictured here with his brother and two sisters, and in this photo, Asplund's son Bengt and his grandson Anders are at sail. After living most of his life in Lidingö, just outside of Stockholm, Sweden, Arne Asplund died on November 4, 1993.